Hey everybody, so Twitch has made it easier for people to come through and add a charity to their streams. So as you can see right here, instead of creator dashboard, we have charity. And inside of here, you can go ahead and look at your fundraisers you have active, or you can go ahead and look for and add a new one. So let's say that you want to support the LGBTQ community. I swear I know how to spell. You can come through and try to find your charity of choice through here or through any other topic at all. You can also choose a category, a country, or a state. Actually, right now it's just United States and then the state. And then you can add it on there. When you go to create a fundraiser, it'll tell you very simply how to set it up. It'll give you all the information about that fundraiser. It'll also give you a link to their website, so you can go over and visit their website and post that link for people to go check them out. You also have the goal where you can set up how much you want to fundraise for that charity, and then this is what it will look like when somebody comes through and sets up for the charity and they want to donate however much to get you to your goal for that charity. I hope that this helps you guys set up your charities if you want to support a charity out there. If you find one that you like, go ahead and go do it. Twitch has made it even easier and made it more secure for your viewers. Later.